All right, guys, let me get right into it. If you think crypto is going to go back down, you should be selling right now. And I'm going to give you guys some proof here, undisputed, regardless of what you hear in the comments. I'll prove to you guys this is an incredible time right now to be selling your Bitcoin right now if you think the market's going to be heading back down. But I'm going to end this video showing you guys why one of literally the biggest short squeeze you could possibly see this entire year is probably going to happen within the next, if it's going to happen within the next 48, 72-ish hours. Okay, I'm already over here. Let me go back to the front page so you guys know how to get here. Go to tradeconfident.io. That is our website, and go to the Bitcoin metrics. You guys need to be looking at these because these are going to tell you what's happening behind the charts. Very important you guys understand this. The emotional sentiment of what's going on with traders right now is very excited, and we briefly here pushed up into the greedy section. When the market has an excited or greedy emotion, this is usually where, let's take a look at the evidence here, where we start seeing moves back down in price action. Let me explain and actually educate you right now why this happens. It's when retail traders get excited in the market and they call their buddy Joe and say, "Hey Joe, my portfolio is up 10 to 15% right now." And Joe says, "Hey Jim, my portfolio is up 5%. And it starts going around the crypto community, and people start feeling like they're missing out that Joe and Jim are getting 10 to 15% in their portfolios. And you're sitting over here, well, I haven't gotten to crypto. So you buy into crypto. But what are you doing? You are providing the liquidity in your purchases, in your buys for the institutions to come out and short and sell. Okay, they cannot sell their billions of dollars unless you guys are buying. That's what's called FOMO. So when we get up into the excited and greedy section, this is where you guys are FOMOing out. You know, Jim, Bill, and Sam are all trying to put their money into crypto because they think it's going to the moon, when really it's actually a very good time right now for institutions to actually short the market. Let's continue here. Now, I want to educate you guys in this video so you understand this. When you're looking at the Bitcoin long and short trades, long trades are clearly extended over short trades right now as far as volume. So let's just keep an eye on this. Really what I'm watching this for every day is I really want to see if this thing just absolutely crashes out. Bitcoin's going to tank, guys. So watch this. And if you see any type of crazy move up on this chart or crazy move back down, you know, if it moves back down, hold on to your seat because they're probably going to tank. Okay, look at this. Bitcoin Well smart money has been coming out very strongly lately with short trade sentiment. And we can see in the past year, this did end up seeing a drop here. We ended up seeing the drop over here. Here's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at these metric values down here. When we see this, it's corresponding to drops in the past. So from a technical perspective here, metric-wise, we are looking like we are primed setting up for a drop. Here's another reason why I don't think we're going to see any really fast moves up or really fast moves down right now is because we're outside of the low volatility zone on Bitcoin. Let me explain this. When price action is in low volatility, you then break out after that. So I think what's probably going to happen is a little bit of consolidation right now, or probably a move down because of the metrics. They're overall bearish. Clearly, like undisputed, they're bearish, okay? Again, wait till the end of the video because I'll show you guys a short squeeze that could be coming. If we're going to start heading down soon, like I said in the beginning of the video, now is a great time for that to happen. We have a resistance here. We got a resistance there. We got a resistance up here, okay? Literally 18,000 to 18,300 is where this thing's going to drop if it's going to drop. One more thing down here, and let's move on to some more indicators here. I'm watching for the sell signal here to give us a sell sign, and then we're going to possibly watch for the drop back down. Okay. Access all these metrics, links in the description. It's called tradeconfident.io. Okay, come back over here. More signs. If you guys think crypto is going down, again, I pose this question. Why are you not selling right now if you think crypto is going to go back down? Trend exhaustion is ridiculously high. By the way, fun fact, I did a study on the daily time frame. There's only been 2 times in the last 5 years. Let's say that again. 2 times in the last 5 years, guys, the trend exhaustion has been pinned to the top like this. Both times, the market moved back down after that. Both times, okay? There's some evidence for you. You guys want some more evidence? Let me give you some more. Undisputed, this is a descending resistance here. I was going to say a descending triangle pattern, which it's that too, if you guys kind of, draw your little support down here. But if you're looking at this descending triangle pattern, you also have this descending resistance, which you have up here. You've got this 1, 2, 3 touch. This is a classic place. Again, if you think crypto's going down, I pose the question, why are you not selling right now to grab crypto lower back down? Okay, I'm showing you guys all these indicators, and I'll give you guys pop-ups so you can snag these, but this is showing us we are far overbought in the market. Okay, now to the part where everyone loves, because they're like, well, what if the other part happens? Well, let me explain that. The part that I want you guys to pay attention to is this could be a perfect time for a short squeeze. Why? Because you come over here, you undisputedly can see from historical performance, these metrics are calling for a drop, and they've called them in the past very, very accurately. So metric-wise and indicator-wise, it is not a dispute here. It is looking very bearish, as if we're going to see some moves back down. And all my trend line friends out there can see that as well, clearly. So we're either going to get a pretty massive move back down here, I would say within the next, probably by Friday or Saturday, or this is going to see one of the craziest short squeezes. And if it breaks past this, we are going to go up, and it's going to be a really nice time going into the end of January, because this descending resistance is going to be broken. To end this video, two things are going to happen. We're either going to crash here because we have super high metric and indicator values, or we're going to see a short squeeze, and we are absolutely going to blast off for the second half of January. My call is, well, Travis, what's going to happen? I'm going to tell you guys right now. Technically, the evidence is clear, okay? We have about a 75, I would say to 80% chance this is going to go back down. So that leaves us with, I would say, about 20% chance this is going to actually move back up. So if you're looking to actually sell some crypto right now to buy back in lower, this is, from a technical perspective, literally the best time you guys have had probably for over a year based off all of the metrics and technical analysis. All right, guys. If you want to get these indicators, get them in the description. Get the Pro Trader Bundle Pack, guys. We literally have this 70% off. You are going to get the top and bottom finder in with the bundle pack. It is the number one seller. This is actually our old bundle pack. We actually ended up adding the top and bottom finder to the bundle pack. Seriously, the best deal you guys can get on all of our indicators. You guys look at the money people are making down here. It's awesome. And then definitely the membership. You guys can get a membership. We're going to do a bunch of trade calls for you guys. We have a trade call up over 50% right now. We've got another trade call up over 19%. I'm not scrolling down to show you because we have some new ones that just popped out this morning, and I want to keep that private for our members. But definitely look at that, guys. And let me see if I can actually move this up over here. Go to subscribe. $29 a month. Everyone can get in here. Everyone can get in here. It's cheap. We made it, very reasonable for everybody. Top 10 coin metrics you guys will get, as well as a trade scanner. And then if you guys just want to take it to the institutional level, seriously, we've coached $1 million hedge funds on here. You guys can get this membership. You guys are going to get access to literally all 20 coins and the trade setups. We give to you guys coaching every month, which, by the way, we're going to coach everyone next Thursday. So make sure you guys are on board for that. And then the Morning Brew overview as well, giving you guys all the crucial data that you need to make good decisions in the market every single morning. All right, guys, I love you. I'm going to leave you on this page. This is where you want to be. Links in the description for all of this, and I will see you guys on the next video update. I hope you guys enjoy this. All right, we'll see you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.